Hello and welcome to another HVACQuick product spotlight. Today we're going to talk about the Canarm AX and SD wall-mounted shutter fans. These are a kind of a commercial industrial fan that are mounted in the wall and have a blow-open shutter that opens up when the fan turns on and falls down by gravity when the fan turns off. It comes in sizes from 8-inch to 48-inch and provides CFM from about 400 to almost 20,000 CFM. In most cases they are speed adjustable, so you can ramp it up and down to the need that you have. They are also available in an explosion-proof model so that you're able to use them in an automotive paint shop, places where there's a lot of varnish, in a woodworking shop, and other extreme locations. These are well-built, durable fans that move a lot of air for a little bit of money. And if you want to talk about it for your particular project, go ahead and give us a call, 888-855-7229, or email sales@HVACQuick.com.